Oh, and you had to battle hard for that 3 points.
Yeah, difficult team to play against. Obviously, they're a good team, and they, the back end of the season they've shown that, and they've beaten a lot of teams and drawn against a lot of good teams. So pleased with it.
Ni'n teimlo bod ni wedi bod y dda iawn first half. Wrach di gwastraffu gormod opportunities. A wedyn, ia, ni'n gweld llawer rhwng y ddau dîm, ond battle bach da, ac dwi'n meddwl bod nhw jyst wedi bod mwy clinigol yn y final third, lle wrach da ni wedi gwastraffu chances ni.
There's not really much for the two of us to play for. I still thought both teams gave it a bit, and it was a decent scrap, to be fair. I thought we edged it, and there we come up with 3 points, good result.
One of the faces we saw coming off the bench for you, Lewis Harling, coming back from injury. How nice was it to see him back on the pitch?
Lovely to see him. I didn't realise he was here, to be honest with you. He's been off that long, but no, it's great. We've had a lot of injuries this season, some big players as well at different times for different periods. So, wish it was a few weeks or a few months sooner, but it's good to have him back.
Ydy'r rhediad diweddar dim ond un buddigolaeth mewn 5 yn poeni chi?
Im o gwbl. Mae'n anodd yn y top 6, mae pawb yn gwybod hynna. A mae just paratoi, mae gen i lot o positives sy'n cymryd allan o. Hafod y dwesws o dwytha, tough game away ato, tough away ddod i fa yma. So, mae gen i lot o positives i cymryd allan o ddau game. Da ni wedi mistakes bach gwirion eddi wrach, so ni wedi gallu gwneud y well. Ond, dwi'n eisiau sbio eto, ond dwi'n meddwl bod yr ail gol na wrach yn ffawl, a wedyn mae'r trydydd offside. So, mae'n rhywbeth i sbio fanna fedus.
Your first goal was quite a special one.
Yeah, it was alright, to be fair. Another one, obviously quite confident at the minute, on a decent little run of form, and I thought I'd give it a whack, and it looks nice on the camera as well, doesn't it? So.
You got a second one as well. You're keeping up pace with Louis Lloyd for that Golden Boot race, and a few others as well.
Yeah, well, I didn't help myself out because I gave the penalty away, didn't I? But no, I mean, always set out today to try and get a couple of goals, and I think if I didn't have the one at the end, I wouldn't be as happy as I am now. But it would be nice to win it when it'll go down to the last day.